Now, physical abuse in the name of discipline in schools. A class 7 student of a school in Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan has gone deaf after his teacher beat him up, apparently for laughing during a class interval. Now, Rahul's family says that his teacher beat him up so hard that his eardrum was ruptured. Now, it's a lifelong handicap for the child, but the school is refusing to act against the brutal teacher.
मेरे को सर ने बुलाया, फिर मेरे यहाँ पर बहुत तेज मारी, फिर मेरे कान में दर्द होने लग गया। फिर मैंने फिर डॉक्टर को दिखाया सरकारी अस्पताल में, तो उन्होंने ऐसे बताया कि इनके कान में इनका पर्दा फट गया। कल शरीर को ऐसे मारा कि कोई मतलब बच्चा कान का पर्दा ही फट गया और जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी बच्चे की। हम तो 4 साल से यहाँ पैसे लगा रहे हैं ऑफिसर बनाने के लिए, और उसने बेल्ट की नौकरी लायक नहीं छोड़ा।
Now, when the family approached the school principal, they were told that the child was not beaten. In fact, the school says the child already had a problem with the ear, and that's the reason for him going deaf. The parents approached the police, registered a complaint as well, although no arrests have been made so far.
उसने कहा कि पहले के बच्चे की तकलीफ है पुरानी, उस हिसाब से कान में दर्द है, चोट से कुछ नहीं हुआ उसको। कल यहाँ गार्ड में जरूर आए थे, आज तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं। ये तो मानते हो ना पिटाई हुई थी कल? अरे पिटाई की वो तो गार्ड में करने पर है, ऐसे तो पता ही नहीं इनको।
The problem is that this happens all too frequently in this country. Just recently, a class 1 student of a school in Jhunjhunu died of cancer that she has suffered after sustaining an injury in the eye following being beaten up by her teacher. Pia was not beaten for not doing her homework then.
खेत भी